Presenting the Honeywell Turbo Force Air Circulator, featuring a blade design that creates less noise and turbo force power that can be felt up to 30 feet away. The Turbo Force Air Circulator is ideally suited for medium to large rooms. To set up, be sure the control knob is in the off position. Place the fan on a dry, level surface and plug directly into an electrical outlet. Turn the control knob to your desired fan speed, high, medium, or low, and pivot the fan head for more efficient air circulation throughout your home. To move the fan to a different location, turn it off, unplug it, and lift using the concealed handle. With 3 speed settings to choose from, the Turbo Force Air Circulator's pivoting head provides intense personal cooling and whole room comfort. Redesigned for improved performance, the 10-inch blade diameter and shrouded housing help provide cooling relief in large living areas, while staying 30% quieter than the previous model. Plus, you can save on your energy consumption by using this powerful air circulator as support for your central air conditioning and heating system year-round. For a powerful fan that provides cooling relief and energy savings, try the Honeywell Turbo Fan.